Welcome back to Adaptive. I want to provide just a quick tip. This is something that, I know a number of you will already know, but I'm surprised every time I do demos in live, how many people don't know this. And this is such a time saver. So let's just go over this real quick. In front of you, you have a spreadsheet on paper. Might be handed out at a meeting, might have gotten it at a conference, might have gotten or picked up a brochure somewhere that had data. You could have taken a picture up on a screen at the conference or meeting. And so you get this in a format that obviously is not usable easily. So what you do is you just come over, and I'll show you. This is literally what I did. I took pictures with my phone of the spreadsheet, multiple pages. It said the images are pictures of a spreadsheet that was printed. Recreate the spreadsheet from the text and the images. And if we look, Claude in this instance, which I'm using, you could use Gemini Pro from Google. You could use ChatGPT, obviously, which so many of you have, to do the same thing. It provided me with a spreadsheet, so it recreated it. You can do this with text, like let's say you got a printed sheet of Word document or just, a bunch of notes, even handwritten notes. You can do the same thing with infographics. If you want to pull that information off of there, you can do it as well. And it doesn't have to be in a spreadsheet. It could output into a Word doc. You could put it into anything you want, a CSV, text, markdown file, PowerPoint. It really doesn't matter, whatever format that you want it in. So very useful. This will save a ton of time. And it's something that there's still a lot of people who don't know out there. So hopefully that tip helps you save some time. And if you like this, I'd love for you to go to my YouTube channel. It's AIDAPTIV, Adaptive, and subscribe. That would help me out. And I'd love to hear from you as well. Leave me a comment on whether you use this, how you use it, maybe use it slightly differently, or what other, things that you would like to see, because I'll be doing more demos like this in the future. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.